In this video, we are going to talk about full site editing. So what exactly this full site editing is and how it works for your WordPress website. So we are going to cover all that in this video. So let's dive in. Hi, my name is Ankit and welcome to Magazine 3 YouTube channel where we talk about everything related to WordPress. And if you want to learn more about that, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. So in the last two videos, we covered what is new in WordPress 5.9 and what are the themes that you can use to get this full site editing feature. But the question is, what exactly this full site editing is and how it works for any WordPress website. So in order to understand that in a better way, let's go ahead and dive in our WordPress backend and see how it looks. So here we are in our WordPress backend, and in this setup we have 2022 theme. And the first thing that we notice is the difference in this appearance section. So here we have appearance, under that we have themes and just one more option, that is editor. But if we compare that with old WordPress setup, which got 2020 theme, here we can see under appearance we get a lot of other options like themes, customize, widget, menus, and a lot of other options depending upon the theme that you are using. Because 2022 theme is a block-based full site editing WordPress theme, we now got only one option, that is editor. And everything that we used to see in the old WordPress setup will now be added only under this editor. And as we mentioned in our previous video, this is not just the only block-based full site editing theme. There are a lot of others as well. So you can watch that video in the I button above. So if we click on this editor, here we are in the home page, and right now we are in the theme editor of our website. So if we compare this interface with any third-party page builder, maybe like Elementor, so here in the list view, we can see what are the widgets, or I should say Gutenberg blocks are we using for this complete template. And in order to access settings for any of these blocks, we have option here on the right hand side. So if we click on this wrench icon, it opens up the setting for that particular block, or we can change the setting for the complete template. So this is the complete structure of our homepage template. We can edit all the elements from here. For example, right now we are under header section. Here we have Gutenberg blocks like site logo, site title, navigation. So now navigation is under this Gutenberg block. You don't need to go to a separate link and then create your menu. So all that will be handled by just one Gutenberg block. And with all these native Gutenberg blocks, which were not present earlier in WordPress, we can now design all the sections that are required to create a complete website on WordPress. So till now, to create our header, footer, and website archive or blog post templates, we are either dependent on the theme itself, or we have to install a third-party page builder. Because all these Gutenberg blocks were not present earlier, but now they are, so we can easily go ahead and use them to create our header, our archive page, or maybe our website footer. And all we have to do is just drop the Gutenberg block and create whatever design we want for our WordPress website. And all that will be done by just using Gutenberg Page Editor, which is a native part of WordPress. But if in case you are new to Gutenberg Editor and you are still using the classic editor and you want to learn how exactly this Gutenberg Editor works, we have created a separate video for that as well. So you can check that out in the I button above and learn how you can use the Gutenberg Editor to create all the page structures and designs for your WordPress website. So this page actually got all the elements that are being used to create the home page template. Now, just like any other page builder, we can design this header and footer separately. So for that, we need to go back here in this WordPress icon and we can go back to the main dashboard. But in order to create or edit any element of this template, we have this section, template parts, And here we can see we have a template for footer and we have 3 templates for header. So you can create many templates for your header, footer or archive page and then use them as per your requirement, just like we do in any third-party page builder. Along with that, if we go in the template section, we have all the templates that are responsible for creating this 2022 theme. And once again, you can create your own version of this and design your WordPress website as per your requirement. For example, if you want to edit this archive template, you can click here and we will be back in the Gutenberg Editor. Here we can edit this header because in the list view, we can see that this is the header. And after that, we have our query loop because this is an archive page. So we need a query loop for that. And we also have footer here. So if you want to edit the template of archive page, you can edit all the header, footers and query loop here only. Along with that, if you have already designed a new header in the template parts, you can call that particular custom header here. For that, we need to click on this header block. Here we see the replace option. Here it will list other headers that we have designed in our template parts. So this is how we can customize any page of our WordPress website by creating various versions of our template parts. So basically, if we need to summarize what exactly this full site editing is, we can say that it's inbuilt theme editor for WordPress. So now you don't have to fully depend on these third-party page builders. You can easily use the native Gutenberg blocks and create your own WordPress website. But of course, this full site editing is in very early stage. There is a lot of scope of improvements. So I'm sure it's going to improve in future version of WordPress. But right now, we can easily use this full site editing and the native Gutenberg blocks to design almost any kind of website. And that's what we are going to cover in our next video. We are going to design a complete site using this native Gutenberg full site editor. And if you have any questions regarding full site editing or WordPress in general, feel free to post that in the comment section below. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help regarding your website, you can connect with us using the link given in the video description below. So that's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.